Welcome to my channel, Fine Food Crush. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Did you know the health benefits of squash? First, boosts immune system. Second, aids in improving bone and eye health. Third, aids in managing diabetes. For the ingredients, we need the following: 2 cups grated calabasa or the squash, 5 pieces bread cut into small pieces, 1 small canned corned beef, 2 pieces eggs, 1 cup breadcrumbs, salt and pepper to taste. For your tools and equipment: apron, hand gloves, pot holder, mixing bowl, wooden spoon, food tong, ice cream scoop, frying pan, stove, plate, paper towel. For the procedure, wear your apron and hairnet. Put on your hand gloves. Mix together squash, bread, and corned beef. Add eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Mix properly. Scoop squash mixture. Form a small bowl. Coat with breadcrumbs. Heat the oil. Deep fry until golden brown. Put the fried squash nuggets into the plate with paper towel. Ready to serve our squash nuggets. Enjoy cooking!